These mistakes have to be avoided while we are doing email marketing. Number one, never, ever, ever, ever buy the email IDs. If you're going to buy the email IDs from somewhere and then if you're going to send the emails to those people, it's not going to be helpful. It's not going to work at all. And the reason why it is not going to work is because you have not taken their permission. Again, see, an integral rule of selling is whatever you are trying to do, think about it from your mindset. Think about it from your perspective. Think about it keeping yourself in the place of a buyer. Do you open emails from sources that you are not aware about? It's as simple as that. We don't do it, right? We never do it. So do you expect others to open your emails? No, that's not going to happen. So never buy the email IDs under any circumstances. That's the first thing. First rule of email marketing. The second thing is, don't collect the emails and send emails through Gmail. Because what will happen if you will send emails regularly through Gmail is you will be blocked after some time. The second thing is there's a limit. And I believe the limit right now is that you cannot send more than 400 emails on a daily basis from your Gmail ID. So therefore, I would recommend you to take an email autoresponder. However, let me tell you one more thing. If you say that, Rahul, I am just starting out my journey. If I've just started my journey right now, I cannot afford an email autoresponder. First of all, that mindset should not be there. But again, still, if you are in the first 2 months or the 3 months and you feel that, Rahul, I can right now reach out to people through Gmail only, I would give you that liberty in the beginning. And I have also told you as to what you need to do. I'm going to give you the complete blueprint of the email outreach today. But moving on in the future, once you have started reaching out to more people, please ensure that you don't collect and send emails through Gmail, but you will be using an automated autoresponder. That's important. Okay. Somebody has asked me, G Suite of Google Cloud is okay. Again, the point over here is that once you would be using an autoresponder, there would be a lot of other features that you would be able to do. You understand that? Somebody says that Google allowed 500, but now reduced to 300. See, there was a time when it allowed 1000 emails. Right now, I guess it is around 400. Okay, because we send certain emails using Gmail. All right, next. I have also written it over here. Initially, you can. Let's suppose you have got 40 emails, 50 emails on a daily basis. I would say to you, you can use your professional email ID by the name of your company, using a good subject line. You can reach out to people, send them multiple emails on maybe after a gap of 2-3 days, as per as the schedule that I'm going to give to you, and you would be able to do it. I would also explain it in Hindi. अगर आप emails कहीं से collect कर रहे हैं, तो please ये चीज ensure करिए कि आप Gmail के through लगातार mails ना भेजें. अगर आप रोजाना Gmail के थ्रू बहुत सारे मेल्स भेजेंगे और उसमें बहुत सारे लिंक्स भी होंगे, तो वो आपका Gmail आईडी भी ब्लॉक किया जा सकता है. समझ में आई आपको ये चीज? तो ध्यान दीजिए. और एक और चीज जो कि हमको बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है यहाँ पे समझना, वो ये, do not sell all the time. All your email should not be meant to sell. Your email should be meant to connect with people. Your email should be meant to create that brand recall, to ensure that you are connected with people, to ensure that people recall you, remember you, you give them certain information, certain guidance. It's a sort of a reminder, because please understand, people work with people whom they know. That awareness is important. So not all your emails should be directed towards selling. If all your emails would be directed towards selling, ladies and gentlemen, you will not be able to get results. Somebody has told me 8 for information, 2 for selling. Is that good? I guess it is good. It's good to go. You can send 10 emails, 8 of them would be sharing value, giving some information, and then 2 emails to sell. It will work. Not a problem at all. Okay, good. So people, the task for you is you got to make a video and write notes on the topic, what all email marketing mistakes have to be avoided. Please write it down.